Hello guys, welcome to Learn School Online. Today's video for JavaScript bind and call. Now, I'm starting with the coding part of the JavaScript bind and call. First of all, I'm creating now I'm starting with a object JavaScript object. Now I'm defining one variables and starting I'm assign one variable with name John and second variable age and third job. And I'm defining one function presentation within this object. And in this function, I'm passing two parameters. Now I put one if-else condition in this function. Now I'm starting putting function else if I put style is equal to formal. Now put console to log. I'm putting here good plus I'm putting here the parameter which I defining here time of day plus ladies and plus and I'm using this keyword with accessing this object, this variable, this name and plus I am plus this dot job, and after that I'm putting here and I am. Then after that I'm also using the third variable this dot age plus year old. Now this is a first if part. Now then after that I'm putting the second part of this. Then I'm putting style friendly and put here console.log. I'm seeing same like the if condition. I'm putting some statement here. He here what's up I'm putting this dot name plus your name what I am this dot job and my age is this dot age, and C plus year old. Now see, I'm put one object and give three variables and use one function. Within this function, I'm put one if-else condition with using these true parameters. Now I'm using the John, which is this variable which is store the object, and dot I'm accessing the presentation function in this, and I'm passing the parameter. Now see what is the result, and inspect this. Good morning, ladies. Just a minute. I'm putting some space here for see. Good morning. Good morning. See, good morning, ladies. John, I am teacher, and I am 30-year-old. See, I access John, then access present function, and I'm passing two variables which he use this condition, and you show that result. And after I'm putting the second, I put here this friendly, and here I'm putting now see, he WhatsApp John, he WhatsApp John, and all things done here. See, he WhatsApp John. I'm passing two different parameters and accessing the same object, and I show you what is a use of bind function. Now I'm showing you the both bind and call in JavaScript with using this object. Now first of all, I'll show you the call functionality in JavaScript. First I access the John and the presentation method, and then call, and you see this like this. Before the using call, I'm defining one more object, namely name only age 35, job designer. See, I'm defining one more variables with three values: name, age, and job. Now I'm doing what I'm doing. I'm doing using all this value. I'm access this method. Now how can I do? I'm using call. Now first I'm put the MD because I'm using all these values to the MDs, and then after I'm passing the parameter of a function, this, and then after I put one more parameter after none. like here, which is using here. The first is here and second it is here. The Emily is using for these three values, and the second friendly is using for the conditions, and the third one is using for this time of the day. Now see what is the result. Now see, access John present called Emily and put two parameters. Now on mistake this here. Now see what is the result. He WhatsApp Emily, your name. I am designer and I am 35. Now see, make it 85 and you see 85. Now see, I'm access this function by using these MD values. Now I'm doing this by the call method, call JavaScript. Now I'm show you the bind functionality of the JavaScript. Now see how can we do. Bind method is like storing the whole things in a variable. Now see what we do. I'm putting first var John friendly is equal to John, and then access the function and then bind keyword of the JavaScript, and then I'm put here John, and then after column I'm putting friendly. Now see, I'm putting John friendly and passing one. Now and then see what is the result. I think some errors is not defined. Oh sorry, there's a mistake here. In Chrome browser you have get all these errors in the console which you done. See, he what is John, your name, I am teacher and my age is 36 years. Now see, if I'm putting here like that and copy it and paste it and change it to Emily and see Emily friend. And I'm putting good afternoon. Now see what is the results. Let's see. It accesses the empty. Now the bind keyword it's using in a JavaScript like that. It's storing the whole value in a variable, and you access the second parameters like that. It's doing like call and bind are the same, doing same. It using for the accessing the another functions in a object. Now students, you learn the bind and call in a JavaScript. I hope that you learn the both things, and please subscribe my YouTube channel and also click on the icon. Thank you. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon for more video updates. Now I'm revise one more things. I'm creating first the object and then create one object function, and in this function I put this if else, and then I'm access this and I'm create one more object and I'm using call, and I'm access this object by using these values. All this thing I'm show you, and I show you today the call and bind function. Now please subscribe my YouTube channel and also click on the bell icon for more video updates. Thanks.